These are the 45 craziest facts about Bugatti. Some of them sound fake. And fact number 33 is unbelievable. Let's take a look. Fact 1. Bugatti was founded in 1909, making it one of the oldest car brands in the world. Fact 2. Bugatti's historic headquarters is still located in Molsheim, France. Even though the brand is associated with France, its founder, Ettore Bugatti, was Italian. Fact 3. In the 1930s, to save the company from a financial crisis, Ettore Bugatti used the engines from the Type 41 Royale to create the Autorail, a high-speed train that set railway records in France, reaching about 122 km/h in 1934. Fact 4. The EB logo stands for Ettore Bugatti. Fact 5. After Ettore Bugatti's death, the brand almost disappeared for decades, becoming a ghost of the automotive industry until it was revived in the 1990s. Fact 6. The Bugatti EB110, launched in the 1990s, was so technologically advanced that it ended up being too much car for its time, which contributed to the company's bankruptcy during that period. Years later, the model gained cult status when Michael Schumacher bought an EB110, helping turn a financial failure into an automotive icon. Fact 7. The famous front grille was not inspired by a horseshoe, but by an egg. Ettore Bugatti believed the egg was nature's perfect geometric shape. Fact 8. The Bugatti Veyron was the first production car to exceed 1,000 horsepower. The Veyron's engine has 16 cylinders and 4 turbochargers. Fact 9. At high speed, the Veyron consumes more than 2.3 miles per gallon. At top speed, the fuel tank can be emptied in less than 15 minutes. Fact 10. The Veyron's tires last about 15 minutes when driven at speeds over 250 mph. Fact 11. Each set of tires costs more than $40,000. Fact 12. For safety reasons, the wheels must be replaced along with the tires. Fact 13. The air conditioning system in the Chiron is so powerful that it could easily cool an apartment of about 860 square feet. Fact 14. The Bugatti Chiron can accelerate from 0 to 62 mph in about 2.4 seconds. Fact 15. The Chiron can go from 0 to 186 mph in under 13 seconds. Fact 16. In 2017, a Bugatti Chiron accelerated from 0 to 255 and then braked all the way back to 0 in just 41.96 seconds, a world record at the time. Fact 17. The Chiron's engine produces so much heat that it requires 11 radiators. Fact 18. If all the radiators fail, the engine can melt within minutes. Fact 19. The Chiron has more than 1,800 parts just in its engine. Fact 20. Bugatti uses different keys to start the car and to unlock top speed mode. Fact 21. The top speed key for the Chiron is stored in a special case. Without this key, the car is electronically limited. Fact 22. Before allowing top speed mode, Bugatti requires a full inspection of the vehicle. Fact 23. The top speed of the Chiron Supersport exceeds 304 mph. Fact 24. There are fewer than 40 Bugatti Chiron Supersport cars in the world. Bugatti intentionally limits production to maintain extreme exclusivity. Fact 25. Bugatti tests each car for months before delivery. Fact 26. Like airplanes or race cars, Bugatti monitors customer cars in real time. If a tire loses pressure or a technical issue occurs, the factory in Molsheim knows before the driver does. Fact 27. Each Bugatti is practically hand-assembled. Fact 28. The paint job on a Bugatti can take up to 3 weeks to complete. Fact 29. Some customers request exclusive colors created specifically for them. Fact 30. The interior can be customized with specific types of leather sourced from a single animal. Fact 31. Not every millionaire can buy a Bugatti. The brand chooses its customers. Some buyers are rejected even if they have the money. Fact 32. Annual maintenance costs can exceed $200,000. Fact 33. A single engine bolt can cost thousands of dollars. Fact 34. Bugatti has manufactured engines for airplanes and trains in the past. Fact 35. A vintage Bugatti can be worth more than a modern Veyron. Fact 36. The Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic is one of the most valuable cars in the world. It is estimated to be worth over $100 million. Fact 37. An oil change on a Bugatti can cost more than an economy car. Fact 38. The Chiron has enough torque to instantly destroy regular tires. Fact 39. The Chiron weighs nearly 2 tons, yet drives like a race car. Fact 40. Even at 249 mph, the car is designed to remain stable and comfortable. Fact 41. The Chiron's braking system uses custom-developed carbon ceramic brakes that are not used on any other car. A single brake disc can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Fact 42. Bugatti was owned by the Volkswagen Group for many years. Today, the brand is controlled by a joint venture with Rimac. Fact 43. The Bugatti Bolide is built exclusively for the track and looks like a video game car. Its power-to-weight ratio is nearly on the level of a Formula One car. Fact 44. The Bugatti's exhaust system can glow red after extreme use. Fact 45. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a one-off model inspired by the Type 57 SC Atlantic lost during World War II, was sold for around $11 million before taxes, making it one of the most expensive new cars ever sold. Those were the 45 insane facts about Bugatti. Follow the channel for part 2.